Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Quick Selection tool and establishing a clean initial selection. This sets the zone you'll move. Use a medium brush size so you don't overshoot edges, and drag to add areas. If you include unwanted parts, hold Alt-Option and paint to subtract. This refines the outline. Once the selection roughly matches the subject, make sure the target layer is active. This prevents accidentally moving the wrong pixels when you switch tools next. Now decide whether you need to move the pixels or only the selection marquee. This is a crucial distinction. If you want the actual image content to move, press V for the Move tool and drag or nudge with the arrow keys. Hold Shift to step by 10 pixels. Conversely, if you only want the selection boundary repositioned, choose Select, then Transform Selection. Adjust the outline without altering pixels. Make sure to confirm the transform. When done so, the new outline persists. Finish by confirming any transform or move so the change is applied. Press Enter or click the check mark. If the selection won't move, first make sure the correct layer is active and not locked. Layer locking commonly blocks edits. Once done, you can refine edges with Select and Mask for a cleaner result. If something goes wrong, deselect with Ctrl or CMD+D and repeat the process more deliberately, adjusting brush size and layer choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.